Okay, I'm continuing work on my little hoglet engine that I designed up, and I ran into a problem. Somewhere between the program for my main lower end housing and my cam box, I screwed up the set point when I did this hole pattern. So I ended up having to oblong the mounting holes. I did find my error. Like I say, somewhere I shifted my zero set point some weird number over and up and whatever, and that I ended up having to, but I'm back on track now, I hope. And this is underneath the cover, so it won't be visible. I'll know it's there, but it won't be visible. This is the cover I'm talking about right there. That goes over top, and then the adjustable timing little lever will be right there. The Hall effect will read through the slot. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to go with, for my ignition system, they've been using where both two coils are firing, and so it fires on both of them at every time. I'm thinking about doing a double magnet and setting two different pickups and having two total different ignition systems, so that it only fires on the ones that are on the cylinder that it's supposed to fire, the other one doesn't fire. I haven't decided yet, but I might do that. That would consist of making another slot here and basically putting the magnets in two tracks. The dwell time would be different on one versus the other, but I don't know if that would be so much of a factor or not. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and make that cover today, and then after that I'm going to start on the cylinders. Oh, I might make a belt guard for the other side too. Most of them have chains on. I'm going to go with a belt. The only reason is I ordered a timing belt for my cam winder, and I decided not to use it, so I got two belts and a pulley laying here, so I found a use for it. So I'm going to use it for this, I think. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and work on doing that cover, and I'll give you a shot of it when I'm working on it or when I get it done. Catch you later. Okay, just setting up to cut the profile. I drilled the whole pattern for the cover, and I put it in a head mill, and we're gonna mill the profile. I just got to set my Z yet. Use my little handy dandy height setter that I made. I really like this. Since I made this, I've used it all the time now, and I really like it. Because at my tool changes, I just go to a Z plus 1 inch, so I'm already there, so all I need to do is just bring my knee up till the lights right there. I'm set, so I'm ready to go. So here we go. Program should be in there, should be ready to go. I haven't ran this program yet. This is the first time through. Cutting it out of plate stock. 1/4 inch thick plate stock. 7075 P651. Or is it? Yeah, it's 7075 anyway. I'm not sure what the condition is. I'm taking a 100 thou pass. That should be through the part now, or through the material. Camera bumped the cable for my finish pad. And done. That was kind of uneventful, the way I like it. So what I have left to do on this is right here a window gets cut in for the Hall effect sensor. Goes right in here. Just a little window here that gets cut in. That'll be cut with a 93 thou end mill, so I'll have to change end mills and clean up, vacuum up the chips and get the piece off of here. I can get this off of there and take the stock off. I just had it clamped with a couple can't twist clamps onto the little fixture plate that I have. There we go. So, like I say, I need to round up an end mill, and then I will run that. That'll be the next operation. I'll come back when I get the end mill and everything and ready to go. Okay, I have the cover done. This one here, I had an error. I got a little hole here, so I didn't like having that hole, so I made it over. And plus, I moved the text down a little bit to get the text down to the bottom. But the only thing left is on the back side, this slot here that the sensor is going to ride in is going to be like counterboard from the back side, a counterboard slot where the sensor will fit in. There'll be a rod that goes through that connects to the sensor that goes back and forth. Anyway, that's the plan. The bushing comes through here. So what I'm doing now is I went and put the forejaw on. Got material for the cylinder, the first block. I scribed the exact center on it, and I came in with the center, and I centered it with the forejaw. And I'm going to go ahead and bore a 1-inch diameter bore through this. And then I'll do both of them like that, and then I'll make a mandrel, and I'll put them on a mandrel. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and basically, like I say, it's just it's nothing more than just I'm gonna center drill probably 3 different sizes, and then bore it, and then finish bore it, and then we'll make a mandrel for it. So it's pretty much basic turning. So I'm just going to go ahead and go do that, and when I get the holes bored in them, and get ready to put them on a mandrel, we'll come back.